Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm here in my kitchen again with another gluten-free grocery haul. If you missed the last one, I will link it below. It's a little bit larger than this one today. This one's kind of on the medium, smaller side, I guess, but still managed to spend over $100. You know how that goes. But everything in here is gluten-free, obviously. Everything is from Sprouts. I have some fall items sprinkled in here. It's like start of fall grocery haul. I do want to get a lot more, like, you know, go get all of the pumpkin things. I love pumpkin. I don't know about you guys. I mean, I feel like most people do, but there's some outliers out there. But I personally love it, and I'm here for all of it. So I hope you guys enjoy and get some inspiration. I have a ton of videos on my channel for my gluten-free girlies. So if you're starting this journey, I would love to hear from you guys, or maybe you've been on it and you're just discovering my channel. Comment below. I love chatting with you. I feel like we all have this instant connection being on a gluten-free diet, and we just all know the struggle, the ups, the downs, and it's just nice to connect with you guys. So make sure you comment below, and I will have everything linked below, my videos, my gluten-free grocery guide, all that. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the haul. I have to do a giant Trader Joe's trip to get all the gluten-free fall goodies. So if you guys want to see a haul with that, I'd be glad to share it. Just let me know. I think that'd be fun to do for the season. For today, everything is from Sprouts. I love Sprouts. I don't know about you guys, but it's like one of my favorite grocery stores. So especially as a gluten-free girl, but where do I start? Starting here just so I could put this in the fridge, and it's also getting dark, so sorry if the lighting changes. Just got some chicken breast, thinly sliced. I despise an overly thick chicken breast. You definitely could cut it yourself, like no problem, but this is just take some of that work out of it. When it's thinner, it's not as dry and it cooks faster. So I prefer that for salads and things like that. So I'm gonna put this away and then get to everything else. A meal that I wanna make this week is mushroom tacos with chimichurri. So that will be on my Instagram. Maybe I'll put a picture on the screen if I've already made it by now before this video goes up. But I thought these tortillas looked pretty good. This first one looks like it's kind of messed up, but they're yellow corn tortillas. This brand is really great. They do have large gluten-free flour tortillas as well if you guys wanna check those out. But I just wanna try something new. I always do like a classic Mission corn tortilla. So just trying something different with these. And then some cream cheese and a vine ripe tomato. I am currently obsessed with a toasted bagel, cream cheese, tomato, and then lemon pepper seasoning. Oh my gosh, you guys, try it. It's so damn good. And then I got some cumin, kind of random, but what did I need it for? I feel like I was gonna make something and I didn't have it recently. I just need it on hand. It's like one of those seasonings you need for a lot of recipes. And then applesauce. I never ever buy applesauce, but I saw it in a recipe that I want to try. They're carrot cake oatmeal cookies. I'm sure I'll share it on my Instagram. I'll be sure to update you guys on how it goes. But then over here I have this chicken and herb breakfast sausage. I like to have this throughout the week. It's just nice for breakfast and just, you know, just to have on hand. It's tasty. I like this brand. I wish the packs were a little bit bigger, but that's okay. And then I have some parsley, some lemons. Always got to have lemons on deck for so many recipes. And I'm also gonna be making chimichurri, so that's what I needed the parsley for, as well as these shallots right here. And this pizza looked really interesting. This is a great brand, Capello's. I've only had a few products from them, but everything I've had has been incredible. And I thought this looked good. It's this spinach and caramelized onion white pizza. Over here we have some berries, which I always love to have on hand. They're just so good in the morning. I love them with Greek yogurt and granola. Blackberries are my personal favorite, and then blueberries are also one of my favorites. To go with the berries as well, I have this True Whip, which is so good. It's just like the most amazing whipped cream you've ever had. And I love to have it with the berries and some chocolate chips. And we have the first of our pumpkin products. So always have to get some pumpkin puree in the fall for recipes, for homemade pumpkin sweet cream, for coffee. I'm gonna try that. Tried it last year and it wasn't very good, but I'm gonna try it again. And then I have a pumpkin spice nut pod. I haven't been the hugest fan of nut pods in the past, but I'm giving them another go because I saw the pumpkin and I was sold. I love seeing the leaves and the pumpkins in my fridge. It makes me happy. And then some coconut oil. Gotta have this in my kitchen at all times. I use it for baking, for cooking, not cooking a ton, mainly baking, but just in a lot of recipes, it's like always required in the healthier recipes, and I just always gotta have it. Next, I have some walnuts, which this is again for a recipe, but these are gonna go in the carrot cake oatmeal cookies. Very excited. And then for that same recipe, I have golden coconut sugar. This is the sweetener or sugar that recipe required. Also got my first pumpkins of the season. I love these. They're mini fantasy pumpkins. They're so damn cute. They're like an orange light pink kind of color, like a pastel-y orange. They're stunning. They make me happy. I'm excited. Mushrooms for my mushroom tacos that I mentioned earlier, and I just always have to have mushrooms in my fridge. They're the best. And then over here we have mini gluten-free apple cider donuts. When I tell you guys that these are amazing, like look at this. It's so good. It's basically like cinnamon sugar, but they're so tasty. And then I have some chocolate chips from Lily's, the world's most expensive baking chips. I've always been hesitant to buy them because of how expensive they are, but I hear the hype, so we'll see how they go. But I'm gonna eat them with the berries and the True Whip, and I'll probably use them for some baking as well, but hope they're good. And then some more dark chocolate, my favorite, Hue Chocolate. I have a code for their website, so if you guys wanna order, I actually suggest using their website and not buying it at the store because you can get a 20% discount. This is the cashew butter and raspberry dark chocolate. And then a little more pumpkin over here. I have the pumpkin spice RX bar. They are seasonal. I don't remember what I thought of them. I think I had it last year. We're gonna see. I just saw it and I was excited. And then over here I have almond butter in little packets, mainly because I just needed a little bit for a recipe and I didn't want to buy a whole jar because almond butter is expensive. So I opted for the small pack, but that is pretty much everything. I hope you guys enjoyed, got some inspiration. Like I said, if you have any recommendations for me, please leave them in the comments. I would love to hear from you guys. If you have any gluten-free products you swear by, I'm always open to recommendations. So thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.